Make any of the soap recipe and bring it to a thick trace. Divide the mixture into two parts. To one part, we do not add any color, which can be the base of the cupcake. To the other part, add color of your choice and blend it uniformly. Here I am adding pink color. This will be used to make the cupcake icing. Pour the uncolored part into the cupcake molds and let it set. Also, leave the colored part to set and thicken to a whipped cream consistency. Right now, it is pretty thin and dripping consistency. After some time, when the soap mixture is thick, check the mixture to see if the paste is forming peaks on the cream surface and not falling flat. Once it is thick enough, we will prepare our icing bag. Take a disposable icing bag, cut the tip to fit the icing nozzle, push the icing nozzle in place. Now, fill the bag with the thick soap paste. Start icing into your desired designs. Using a single nozzle design, you can create several designs of the icing. Using other nozzle designs, you can create many more designs. Now let it set for 24 hours and then we will unmold our beautiful cupcakes.